Hello friends. So today we are going to discuss another new topic over there. So today we are going to discuss paragraph tag attribute. This is paragraph tag and the syntax of paragraph tag we discussed earlier, and today we will discuss some of the attribute of paragraph tag. For that we are going to use notepad plus plus. So we'll write a program as activity HTML close head close title now here we will provide one title like paragraph tag activity. Now here in body part we'll make 2-3 paragraph, and we'll make 2-3 paragraph. First paragraph is P. Here we are writing this is paragraph 1. So with BR tag to break the line to make a proper paragraph, and here I am just working on the making of paragraph, and I am going to copy completely that paragraph to make another paragraph by changing the number here to I am making paragraph 2. Just it is a demo program, so I am making like this demo paragraph, and I think it would be better if I show one more. So now I have three numbers of paragraph with me in this program. So it's nice, there are 3 paragraphs visible here. Now I am going to save this file here. Okay, now here I am going to check this program, the output of the program I am going to check. Yeah, 3 paragraphs is visible here. Now I want to show the attribute of paragraph tag. Here first of all the attribute is align, ALIGN, align equal to all I am writing left. Here the same thing I need to write here right. Okay, here I need to write align, ALIGN, align equal to middle or center, middle I am writing, and one more paragraph. So 3 paragraph, and as in different word for file, or means different word or writer package, you have seen there are 4 types of paragraph alignment. One is left, one is right, one is middle, and one is justified. So also I'm trying to use justify, but before that I need to see the output of this. Refresh. Yeah, it's working. So as it is by default left, that is the point. This in this HTML5 left is default. So if you write left, so if you mention left, then also it will be there in left side. And if you are not mentioning left, then also you can get the paragraph at leftmost side. Okay, right is also for right side, middle for middle portion, and we'll check justify. Justify. May face problem in justify, but still I must check. Yes, justify is also like this, because why? I need to use some text extra in justify. I'm writing something like hello, I am walking on HTML programming. Done. So this right side alignment is not properly done in this writer. So this is the part of justify. If my justify value is working with this attribute align, then it will make a justified alignment for this part. So we must check it by refreshing the output, but it's not coming. Somehow the justify is not working here, but justify, theoretically justify is also one paragraph, one attribute value for HTML. This is actually 4 types of attribute we'll get in HTML paragraph tag. Okay.